Hey, what if I told you that right now, while most people are still grinding for every dollar online, there's a new way to build real passive income, and it doesn't require a website, an email list, or running ads? What if you could turn simple ideas into professional audiobooks, publish them on Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, and more, and start collecting royalties while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what's happening for people using AudioPilot right now. Look, creating audiobooks the old way is a nightmare. You either spend weeks writing scripts, recording narration, editing audio, and figuring out platform requirements, or you pay thousands of dollars to outsource it. Most people give up before they even publish their first audiobook. And even if you push through, by the time you finish one title, months have passed, and you're still not making real money. That's the brutal truth. But what if there was a better way? Well, there is. Introducing AudioPilot, the world's first fully autonomous AI audiobook publishing agent. This isn't just another AI tool that gives you text and leaves you to figure out the rest. AudioPilot is a complete system that writes your script, narrates it with professional AI voices, produces the audio, creates your cover, generates metadata, and publishes your audiobook across 20+ major platforms, all in under 60 seconds. Yes! Under 60 seconds, from idea to published audiobook. Done. Look, I told you it only takes 3 steps. But let me break it down so you really understand how stupidly simple this is. Step 1. You open AudioPilot, pick a genre, and type in a short idea or just leave it blank. That's it. No writing, no outlining, no stress. Step 2. Watch the magic happen. In seconds, AudioPilot writes a complete professional audio script with powerful hooks, perfect pacing, and emotional flow. Then it narrates it using high-quality, human-like AI voices. It creates your cover, generates your metadata, title, description, and formats everything perfectly for publishing. You don't lift a finger. Step 3. Hit one single button, and your audiobook gets published across 20+ major platforms at the same time. Spotify, Audible, Apple Books, Google Play Books, Kobo, and more. Done! Finished! Live in front of millions of listeners. No technical work, no manual uploads, no waiting weeks. Just pure speed and power. This is where AudioPilot completely separates itself from everything else out there. With AudioPilot, you can publish multiple professional audiobooks per week instead of struggling for weeks or months just to finish one single title. More books published mean more visibility across platforms. More visibility means more listeners. More listeners mean more royalties stacking up in your account every single month. This is how you actually build real passive income with audiobooks, by having enough books out there working for you at the same time. And the best part? You don't need any experience to do it. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need to know how to record or edit audio. You don't need to understand complicated platform rules or formatting. AudioPilot handles everything for you, from writing the script to narrating it with professional AI voices, to creating your cover and metadata, and publishing it across 20+ major platforms with just one click. While most people are still stuck in the old, slow, and painful process, you'll be moving at lightning speed, building your library, and positioning yourself to earn more and faster. This isn't just convenience. This is a massive advantage that lets you dominate while others are still figuring things out. Now here's the deal. AudioPilot normally sells for much higher, but right now, during this special launch, you can get lifetime access for a one-time payment and lock in the lowest price we'll ever offer. This early bird price won't last long. Once this timer hits 0, the price goes up. So if you're serious about building real passive income with audiobooks, if you want to stop struggling with the old slow way, and if you want to finally have a system that works while you sleep, then don't wait. Click the button below right now and get AudioPilot before the price increases. Your AI audiobook publishing agent is ready. The only question is, are you? Click below and let's get started.